What is up, guys? It's Raul TV back again, and what we're going to do this time is we've got a Ford S-Max here, a 2010 plate S-Max. We're going to change the door mirror, the wing mirror if you're old school. Yeah, the door mirror, we're going to replace that. The driver's side, passenger side, both the same. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to take off is this here, a Torx 25. Right, take that off. We've got screws all along the side here, one here, another two more underneath. If you run your hand across the bottom here, you will feel them there. Normal Phillips on these. Yep, Phillips screwdriver. And take that off. And then another thing we're going to do is behind here there should be two more screws here. So you need a flat or little pointed screwdriver, and basically we're going to take this panel off. Okay guys, there's a few more screws here, Phillips, on this side as well. One here and one about here. We need to go ahead and take them off. Screwdriver, Phillips, there. And just basically take them off. If you get a stubby Phillips, it will be easier for you. Or open the door all the way. Just like that, you take that off, and then inside here there's two more Torx, one there and one right in there. You can just make it out there. Take them two off, and this panel should just flick off. Make sure we take this panel off, this one here. Take that off. When you take that screw off from there, that should just come straight off like that. I'll show you the way it's supposed to. It goes in like that, as you can see. Right, and then what we do when you take that screw off, that will just go boom, like that. That's all you do. Right, this panel here, make sure you flick it this way. Okay, flick it this way and then it'll pull off. Don't try just pulling it off. It needs to go backwards and then pull off. Okay, now all we can do now is we took everything off, all the screws are off. Make sure you take all the screws off along the side here, along the bottom, this side, the two in there, take them two off. And that panel should, there we go, just lift that off, take that wiring plug off, and then that way we can gain access to the door mirror. Okay guys, now we've took all the panel off, the door card off, take that wiring plug off the window switch. We can see there's only one bolt here, 10mm, take that off. And take this wiring plug off, which you just push here, and then boom, that's it. And this door mirror should come straight off. Let's go, let's do that. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to take that 10mm bolt off, which is here. Take it off, hold it with one hand if you're doing it by yourself. If you've got somebody to help you, then obviously they can hold it for you on the other side. But I'm on my own today, so yep. Try not to drop the bolt. So that's off. That should just pull straight out. The wiring plug should go straight through there, just about. And there we go. That's how we do the. Well, that's how we take the door mirror off on a Ford S-Max. Okay, guys, we've got the new one here. Exactly the same way as taking it off. We're going to refit it. Open the door up a little bit more. Feed the wire through. Put it straight through. That goes in there like that. There we go. You can't really get these wrong because there's only one bolt to fit, which is this one. So you can't really get them wrong. It's not like you need to line 2 or 3. Normally they have 2 or 3, you know, on other cars. So one bolt straight in, get that in there. Finger tight. That's finger tight, that's not coming off, that's not going anywhere. So what we do is we try the wiring plug. There we go. Or you could try the wiring plug before you fit anything, but it looked exactly the same, so yeah. There we go, that's on. What I'm going to do now is re-tighten it up 100%. Hold it on this side. That's it. And fit everything in reverse order. You can put the switch on and just try it. See if all the electrics working. And just fit the panel back on, and that's it. Let's go. Okay guys, we're on the home stretch here. We've got the panel back on. Just slide straight over. What we're going to do now is obviously fit this one back on. This one. Exact same way you took it off. From the side here. There we go guys. That's on. I had to put the camera down because I needed 2 hands to do this. So that's on. Now this one here. Straight in there like that. Just try and do it with one hand because it's not the easiest to do with one hand. Get this side on first. And there we go. That's on. What we do now is, right, let's get all the screws in now. All the bolts have to go on, screws have to go on, Torx, Phillips, everything, get them on. All along the side here, on the bottom, along this side, get them on. And hopefully, and that's that. Alright guys, everything's on now. Time for the finishing touches, putting the screws back on, little screws and everything. So yeah, let's go, let's do this. And there we have it guys, all on, done, dusted. Obviously this comes in primer, so you need to spray it, but I'll be straight honest with you, it doesn't look too bad actually, it looks similar to the car. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. All I can say is like, share and subscribe to my channel. The sun is in my eyes, I can't even see you guys out there. That's it, it's all done, there it is. Door mirrors on, and dead easy job. It'll literally take you, if you've got everything in place, about half an hour. So all I'm saying is like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.